How to fix Telegram group admin right issues. If you can't assign or change admin rights in Telegram group, make sure you are the group owner or have the necessary permissions. Go to group settings and tap on administrators and check your role. If you are an admin without full rights, you might not be able to grant others admin rights. If the issue persists, try leaving and rejoining the group or ask the group owner to reassign your admin privileges. Telegram also limits some permissions to prevent abuse. To ensure you are following group rules, use the promote to admin option carefully and assign only needed permissions to avoid security risk. Ever had admin rights revoked unexpectedly? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.